GameStop and AMC are like brothers. GameStop is the big brother, AMC is the little brother, and they both had excellent days today. So in this video, we're going to talk about what's going on with these stocks, where we can see them go in the future, because look, we're right at a level of resistance for AMC, and I believe if we bust through this level, we're going to jump even higher. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm going to make this the best year ever. If you could do me a favor, we're going for 10K subs. If you could click that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to give this video a like, make sure to do so as well. All right, let's talk about AMC in this video because we know that GameStop is rocking higher, right? And it seems like, look, everywhere you turn these days, and if you go look at the news, almost anywhere, it's blaming the rally on Reddit users, right? Well, I know there's a lot of people out there that don't use Reddit that are buying into these stocks, okay? This is a worldwide movement at this point. There's people all over the world jumping in on this because they believe in the movement, and it's, yes, it was Reddit born, but it's so much bigger than that now, and it's so exciting to see what's happening, and really that we can all be a part of this situation and of this movement, right? That's really what's got me so excited about this whole situation, is that we're a part of something. It's not just a group of retail investors out there going and discussing stocks anymore. It's an absolute movement, and it's exciting to be a part of it. So GameStop, we know it had an awesome day today, rallied all the way up to about $250. After hours trading, I think it was like $257, $258, and now it's still trading in that range. I believe it closed today at about $246 or so. And look, just a couple days ago, it was trading at like $150, right? So we've seen some huge gains just in the last day or two alone. Now let's talk about AMC, the little brother, right? The one that's trading around $10 right now, and we can really see this stock rocket higher as well. So let's talk about what's going on here. I had a limit order in this morning at, I believe, $9.50. It tipped past that, and I'm like, okay, I'll buy a dip if it comes in. So I put a limit order in there, and unfortunately, or fortunately, however you want to look at it, it continued to rocket higher, and I didn't trigger that limit order at $9.50. So awesome for all of the shares that we're still holding, but I wish I had a few more shares in my account right now, but I don't. So let's talk about what this means moving forward. There is a big resistance line at the $11 per share mark. Now, why is this exciting? Because after hours, we broke the $11 per share mark. We went all the way up to $11.80. And I believe that once AMC opens up tomorrow, we could see AMC stock absolutely rocket once we beat that $11 per share mark. Now, how high do I think it could go? We've got some resistance at the $13 to $13.50 per share range, but it's not as much resistance as we're going to see at the $20 per share range. Now, am I expecting this stock, am I expecting AMC stock to go all the way up to $20 tomorrow? Look, tomorrow's going to be a tricky day because we're expecting the earnings release to come out tomorrow after hours, and obviously we know that earnings releases can really have a big impact on the stock price. So what do we want to do? How do we want to trade this? I think the stock's going to open higher tomorrow. I really do. So if we open it to $10.50 because it closed at $10.50 today, if we open it at $10.50 to $11 per share range, excellent. Once we break through that, and I'm thinking about putting a stop order on there at about the $11 per share mark just to watch it bust through that and really take off from there, because I do believe that once it hits that, we're going to see it go all the way up to 13 before we get into some resistance, which is awesome, right? I mean, yeah, we're just talking about a couple dollars here, but when you're talking about a couple dollars on a $10 stock, you know, you're talking 20 to 30% that we can see just in tomorrow's gains alone. So I'm super excited about this, and I'm thinking about adding some more positions as it's rising, because look, I love to buy rising stocks. You guys know that by now. Yes, you can buy the dip like I tried to get in today, adding some more shares on a little dip. I think, what was it? I think it opened around 9, or we had a daily range of like 922, and then by the time I put that order in, it was like 970, and it didn't get triggered, right? We never saw that dip back down 20 cents. So good for that, whatever. Moving forward tomorrow, another day, another trade. we can look at that $11 per share range, which is really what I'm focusing on. Now, I want to know if you guys think the same thing. Maybe I'm, missing something out there, but I think we're going to see a lot of resistance here at the $11 per share mark, and then we're jumping all the way up to $13 per share, which has me excited, right? Who wouldn't love a 20% gain on their portfolio? So I want to know what you guys think. Do you think that GameStop and AMC are kind of trading in tandem? Because I know I see it a lot. GameStop rises, AMC rises, and it's almost like they go hand in hand. They're big brother, little brother, and it's kind of exciting to watch, right? Because we know by now that why they're going up, and people are finally catching on, and they're holding. And you know what? I'm not exactly sure if it was today or not, but there should have been a new FINRA report out, and we should have some new short interest numbers out there right now. So I don't know. I'm going to go check this out after this video and see if we've got some new numbers for GameStop out there, or if we're still around a 40% short interest range, or what's going on with that stock right now. So guys, I'm excited. I'm looking forward to the trading day tomorrow. I want to know what you guys think. If you're still holding strong on AMC, because just a couple days ago, we were in the $5 per share range. Now we're all the way up to $10 per share, almost $11 per share. Actually, $11 per share after hours, but it closed at $10.50 today. So we've seen a lot of gains just in the last couple of weeks alone, and it's some really exciting stuff. So inspire us with what you guys got going on down there. And if you think, look, I'm going to do this right now. If you guys think that $11 per share is an excellent mark, and if you think I should put that order in there at $11 per share, let us know down in the comments below. I want to get you guys involved in this as well. If you think it's something that I should add to the portfolio at $11, let us know. And if you guys like that comment and get it up to the top of the comments, of course, we're going to go ahead and add it to the portfolio at $11 per share, right? We'll get that order in there and watch it go higher. That's going to be the awesome part. And look, $13, $20, and then the moon. There's not going to be any resistance beyond that $20 per share mark once we bust through that recent high, and we can only go higher from there. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're still here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going for that 10K. I'd really appreciate it. Give this video a like, and if you're brand new to trading, what do you need? You need a brokerage account, right? There's a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and guess what? They're giving out stocks of AMC. So if you're thinking about investing in AMC and stocks like GameStop, you can go ahead and grab a free share of AMC. The last guy that signed up using that code sent me a screenshot. He did get a share of AMC, and obviously he's already making money because it's already up like 20 or 30% since he signed up. So it's doing excellent, and you can really pad your portfolio right from the start by signing up using that link. And if you guys want to share this video, it would really help out. Make sure to tag me almost anywhere at Claybro. I'd love to follow you guys back and really see what everybody's interested in investing in. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.